Right, we're gonna replace the battery on a remote key of a Toyota Camry. This is from 2018 all the way to 2022. Other models may have similar remote, such as Corolla, Crown. So easiest would be to use a flathead screwdriver, the small one that you can insert here because it has a little tap right there. So you can just lift it up, remove the cover, and then battery has this rubber cover, so you can remove this, and then you can see there is this little insert for the screwdriver. We just lift it up and then we remove the battery, and this is the battery model CR2032. So when you put it back in, you just slide it in just like so, and then you put this rubber cover, and then when you put this back in, you can just slide in this side first right there, and then just press right here.